Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a fantastic slider without a coding. So you have to just go to first you have to create a section, then you have to go to the Wix app market, and then you have to search in here before and after slider. And this slider is best, so I already add it. So here again, here is the app widget. So first you have to go to the setting, and then you have to select the image. First you have to select the first image, here it is, and then you have to select the second image, and then you have to click to the cross button, then you can stretch it, and now you can customize it. Like I need it cover, so right now it's full screen, and I need to over to slide, and you can change the direction if you want horizontal or vertical. And you have to go to the style, you can add border radius, you can add the divider width, also you can change the shape like this, like this. Also you can change the shape position, and also you can change the shape height, how big it is, and then you can change the levels. These things you can edit. Now click to publish it, and now you can see the result. I hope you are enjoying videos. Thank you.